So first you will have a middleware here. Am I right? Say sir, no. You will have a middleware and you will have a controller and you will have a service layer and then you will have a repository layer and then you will have a database. Do you all agree with this? Did you all seen this diagram?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone. So what will happen whenever client make a request, the request will come to the which layer? Which layer it is?
Middle layer.
Middle.
Middle?
Middleware.
Middle?
Middleware.
Okay, you have to say it is a middleware. Then middleware will call a controller. Am I right?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you are coming with controller. Now, controller will talk to which layer? Controller will talk to which layer?
Service layer.
Service layer.
Okay.
Service layer.
Okay.
Okay. Then service layer will talk to which layer?
Repository layer.
Repository layer. Got my point? So the repository layer will talk to
Database.
database. It could be any database. It could be SQL Server, MongoDB, whatever the database. Okay. Now tell me, this layer will have a method or data. Will these layers have a method or data? 1 second. Who is this guy?
Methods.
Sonar. Hello.
Method.
Hello. Yes.
Methods.
Hey, what is the time, da? What is the time? It's 10 o'clock, man. It is 10 o'clock. Call in the morning. Okay. So 24/7 in the sense, do you want to join newly or you want to, what is your requirement? Guys, give me 1 minute, please. Hello. Sorry, guys. Okay. So whenever you make a request, the request will come to middleware. Middleware will call a controller. Controller will call a service layer. Service layer will call a repository layer. This repository layer will talk to the database. Now tell me, all the layers will have method or data.
Methods.
Every layer will have a method. So how to pass data from middleware to database to middleware? For that, we are having a model. Am I right? We are having a model. Clear? So every time, whenever a request comes here, that request will hold the data in the model. Similar way, controller will hold the data in the model. Service layer hold the data in the model. Repository also hold the data in the model. And when the repository return a data back to it, the service layer will catch that data, catch that method with the controller, and then this controller will call a view here. Clear my point? The controller, whenever the call a view, it will bind the data and send back to the user. From the model, it will come to the data, and then finally it will send back to the middleware. Middleware will send back to the user. Do you all understand this architecture diagram first? Everybody, please
Yes.
say,
Yes.
do you all
Yes.
understand this architecture diagram? So yesterday, we covered these 4 portions. Am I right or wrong? Do we covered only
Yes.
these 4
Yes.
portions?
Yes.
We covered view, we covered controller, we covered model, we covered middleware. Now we are going to cover service layer today. Or you got my point? We are going to cover service layer. Before going to come up with the service layer, do you know what is interface? Do you know what is interface? Why do we need interface? Can anyone tell me? What is interface? Can anyone answer this question?
Having only declaration, method declaration without definition.
Come again. Interface will contain
to be used, and we need to
will
use the
contain
parameters manually.
contain only method declaration. Am I right or wrong? Are you going to declare a method? Am I right?
Yes, but after C# 8, we can provide a body also to the interface.
Okay.
Static. Yes.
Then it will become an abstract class, right? It is not
Yeah,
an
yeah.
interface,
That will be
right?
abstract class, not interface.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
you implement any method in the inside the interface, it become an abstract class. It's not interface. Okay, so always use interface for only method declaration, even though they give it. Okay, if you want to implement a method, you go for abstract class. Sachin, you understand? This discussion we already had that, I believe.
Yes.
Okay. Second point, interface always be a parent class or not? Interface always be a
Parent class, yes.
parent class. That is my second point. When interface become a parent class, what I need to do? I need to create a child class, implement interface in the child class.
Yes.
Implement interface containing methods in the child class. Do you all agree with this? Say yes or no? Do you all
Yes.
agree with this point? Shubham, Akhil,
Yes. Yes.
Akhil, Kavita,
Yes.
right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a service layer. Which layer? I'm going to create a service layer and then iService interface layer also. Okay. So what I'm going to do in my project under the model class, here, I'm trying to create a new folder. I'm saying service contracts. You understand? I'm going to say service contracts. What is meant by contract? Always contract should be your interface or class. In any real-time code,
It should be interface.
contract, it always be an interface. Am I right?
Yes.
So here, service contract always be an interface where my F is not working in the keyboard. See, interface where methods are declared. Clear my point? You all agree with
Yes.
this point?
Yes.
So now tell me, what is my contract name? I brand service. Because I'm going to implement brand related details. So what I'm going to do, I create a I brand service. Sir, I don't know Hindi, sir. Okay. Public. Okay. I created an interface or not?
Yes.
Say, sir.
Yes.
Okay. In this, what data I need to get from the service to the controller? I need to get all brand detail. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
So what is your method declaration? List of
Brand.
brand model get brands. Clear my point?
Yep.
I created an interface with the list of brand model. Now, if you look into the model layer, I have models as well as contracts, correct? Say yes or
Yes.
no.
Yes.
I have a service contract as well as brand model. Now, what I'm going to do, I want to have this model, brand model, under a model folder. So what I'm going to do, create new folder. I say models. Now, this model related to brands or some other thing?
Brand.
Brands.
Brands. So now, under this, I'm going to create another folder, brand models. Always a best practice you should maintain like this, and move the C# code under this. So is it a clean separation of file?
Yes.
Say sir. Is it a clean separation of file?
Sir.
Now you see catalog dot model dot brand model. It is automatically added.
Yep.
Yes.
Namespace. Now if you go to the here, it is also changed automatically.
Yes.
Did I made any change? No. So once it has been completed, I have a brand service where I implemented a brand model. Sorry, I declared a brand model. Now do I need in the project or not? For that, go to solution, create another project. Under eStore admin, add new project as a class library project. Next, you say catalog service. I create another class library project, catalog service. Now create. Now, in this catalog service, do I need to create a service class?
Yes. Brand service.
Do I need to create a service class, everyone?
Yeah.
So why do I need to create a brand service?
Already it is there, right? So
Come again?
We need to implement, right? We are method declaration we implemented in interface. We need to implement this
Yes.
interface, right?
We need to implement the interface in this class. Okay, so here everything will be signatures. Okay, no signature will be used. Model will hold only the signatures and entities. Clear my point? Model will always hold entities and signatures of methods. But implementation should not have in that layer. For that, you have to create a catalog service layer. Now, what is your class name?
Catalog service.
Catalog service? Are you sure? Are you sure it is a catalog service?
Or brand service.
Yes. Brand service. Oh, sorry. rename brand service. Now brand service name is created. Now right click, remove all sorting, change pub internal into public.
Public.
Okay, done. Now, do I need to implement iBrand service for this brand service?
Yes.
Yes, for implementation.
So, before implementing the iBrand service, do I need to refer the model in this project as a dependency?
Yes.
Yes or no, everyone?
Yeah.
See, the model is a separate class library. I need to add that model class into my service. Right click, add project reference. Just click on model, click OK. Now try to build. When you build, you see model will be built first and then service will be built. You see that in the output program. Which one is built first?
Model.
Why? Model is building first.
Because it's a dependency.
The reason?
Dependency will be.
Before my service project has to be executed, the dependent model project need to be built automatically. See, most of you don't know this. You simply refer it. When you refer on a particular project you want to build, I want to build a catalog service. What will happen? It will try to build the catalog model first because this is my dependency project, which I'm going to call the catalog service. Okay, so that is why you are having two projects succeeded. Now come back. Now I had referred. So what I need to do? I can call this brand service. When I call a brand service, I'm not able to see that. Just go to quick action. You see, I'm able to see using catalog model.service contract. Are you able to see a file here? Namespace? You got the service contract namespace? Say yes or no. Everyone, Akhil.
Yes. Yes.
Shubham.
Yes.
Srinivas, Akshay. Kavita. So once you've done that, do I need to implement this interface? Because it is an interface. I need to implement that in your brand service. Right click, quick action, implement interface. Now you got the method?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now what I'm planning to do, in the brand controller, you will have list of brands, right? I'm taking this, cut it. Listen carefully, I'm cutting this entire logic, moving that logic here. Do I need to create an object for this brand model?
Yes.
So how you are going to create? List.
Brand model.
Now, will this list should be written back to your controller? So what do you need to do in the DOM? Here, you should say return brand models, right? Now, can I create object for this brand service into controller? Say yes or no.
To invoking services we need to do.
To call the service containing public method, do I need to create object for the brand service into the controller class or not?
Yes.
Everyone. Everyone. See, as per the diagram, what happened? A controller should call a service method. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
To call a service layer containing class and method, we need to create object for the object in the controller.
Yes.
For a brand service.
Yes.
Say yes or no.
Yes.
So in the controller, you need to refer the service layer class library. Then only you can able to call a project of service layer, right?
Correct. We need to add a reference.
We need to add a reference of
service.
Class library service.
Correct.
So what do you need to do? right click, add project reference, select the catalog service. Okay. Clear my point?
Yes.
Now rebuild the project. Admin setup index.cshtml. Some problem with the index.cshtml. Just go to solution. In the index.cshtml, we need to change here catalog.
Yes.
No, I'll come. Catalog model dot models dot brand model.
Yeah.
Then only this brand model will work. Just build it. Okay, done. Now I want to call this method in the controller. So how do I do that? In the controller class, brand controller class, here, what I will do in the index action method, okay, listen carefully. I'm putting a null object here. I'm just saying null, okay, and then here I'm creating a null, then brand service. You see there is a brand service equal to new of brand service. So I'm creating an object for the brand service class.
Yes.
Am I creating
Yes.
an object for the brand service class? And then
Yes.
what I'm telling, hey, brand model variable equal to, I'm going to call the brand service. You got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that the
Yes.
brand model will get the data from the get brands. Now put a breakpoint here, try to run the project. Now I'm trying to call a brand model, brand service. Now you are getting a get brands.
Yes.
You're getting a method. Now entire object has been created. The brand model is written with a collection of 3 values. Make sense?
Yep.
Make sense? You got the data?
Yes.
Yes.
So do you all understand service layer?
Yes.
Kavita, Shubham, Srinivasrao, Akhil, Akshay, Bora Bhargav, Durga, Sheikh, Nazir, Pallavi, Prasanna Pora, Sachin.
Yes. Yes.
So
Thank
can
you.
everybody understand?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, right.
But my question here is, do I need to create object for class or interface?
The voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking.
Do I need to create object for the class or interface? Assume,
Class only we need to create. Interface we
wait,
cannot create.
assume, wait. Assume I have another method, public string get brand, something like that. Okay, I'm going to return brand one, something like this. Okay, this method I should not access in my controller. How do I restrict? See, in this brand service class, I have an interface containing method. Apart from that, I have a normal general methods. Now, I don't want to access this grid brand from the controller. Now, if you see here, brand service dot, am I getting both get brand and brand service? Brands both are getting.
Yes.
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 How do I restrict to have access only get brand for this
Right.
object creation? What should I do?
Private.
No.
Explicit calling interface.
Come again.
Interface we can
While
call na explicitly interface name.
While creating object, we can refer with interface.
While creating the object, we can refer with interface. Who is that one person given an answer? Can you tell me your name, please? Srinivasa Rao. Very good. So what you need to do, you are using iBrand service. That means you are creating an object for the class, but that object memory only for this iBrand service methods will be accessed. You are creating object. See, till this one, you are not creating object. Why? Because the branch service, this one is nothing but a constructor. Am I right?
Yes.
And then what will happen? Once the constructor executed, the new method will be get executed. The new method will try to create object for you. That means it will try to create a memory for you. Agreed?
Yep.
Everyone, agreed or not?
Yeah.
And then that memory will be assigned to the branch service. That memory will be assigned to the branch service variable. While assigning branch service variable, I don't want to assign all the method. I have to assign only the interface containing method. Now you see here, you get one. Irshad Sheikh. Irshad. Now you see get brand only. You are not able to get brand. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
So that this is the way you can restrict your methods with the help of iBrand and brand service. Do you all understand this concept?
Yep.
Everyone.
Yes.
Everyone, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, Akhil, I think you are not at all speaking. What happened?
I'm just recalling the SOA architecture where we are giving the reference to the each individual the same way you are doing it here. But still, I have confused. Continue, Narendra. I'll come back to you for the clarifications.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So you have iBrand service of brand service is equal to brand service class. Now, tell me one thing. If I have 20 action methods, do I need to create object for the 20 action method every time? Is it the right practice?
No.
No.
In controller level, we can create object.
We should not create object in the controller level. What we need to do is we need to create object in the middleware level for this class. Or you got my point? I'm planning to create object in the middleware level class. How do I do that? This is very simple.
Repository.
Just go to your program.cs file. Okay. You all remember we need to add services, everything in the here to create object.
Yes.
We all
Yes.
spoke about this, right?
Correct.
Yes.
Now, a builder services dot add new service descriptor of type of, sorry, we should not use like this. Service descriptor. Okay, I'm saying here type of iBrand service, comma, type of
Brands.
brand service, comma, service lifetime,
Scooped.
dot transient. What will happen? This guy will try to create object for you in the middleware level, and that object folded by builder.service. Clear my point? Everybody clear? So this concept is
Yes.
nothing but injection IoC. Register the branch service with the dependency injection container. In other words, we will say IoC, inversion of control.
Controllers.
You got my point? We are creating an object in the builder. For that, you are creating object of the service like this. Don't worry about what is transient. I will explain either by today or tomorrow based on the time permit. Okay. Right now, first understand this. Now, I created an object. Do I use this object in my controller here? Everyone. See, I created object in the middleware. I'm going to use that object in my brand controller. How do I do that? Just go here, CTOR, create a constructor. Here, you get a brand service. Brand service. Now, what you are going to do, brand service is equal to brand service. Here, use right click. Now, what happened? Select this quick action. You see generate variable. You see read-only object of variable. I got the private read-only iBrand object. Now here, I'm not going to create an object. Okay, instead, I'm using underscore. Got the point?
Yep.
So what we are doing? We are injecting the object for the controller brand service. This is called iBrand service dependency injection. Clear my point? Everybody clear?
Yes.
Okay, you understand. Others, this is most important topic. That's why I'm going line by line, line by line, line by line. You understand how you are injecting your object. Akhil, yes, Srinivas Rao, Gora Bhargav, Kavita Roy. Everybody understand how you are injecting your iBrand service. Now, do I need to call create object in every method, or I can use this object?
You can use.
No
We
need to
can
call
use this
because
private variable object.
yes.
But you got my point. So this is called dependency injection. Now tell me, what is IoC as per the notes?
Inversion control.
What is IoC? Inversion of
Control.
control is used to create object in the builder service. Service builder object. Service builder object. Clear my point? And what is dependency injection? What is dependency injection? This is most important question in the interview. Everybody will ask. Akhil, please go for a mute. Okay. DI is nothing but to access object created in the middleware as an IoC. Am I right or wrong? Where you are creating object for the class service, Where are we creating object for the class service? We are creating object for the class service in middleware. Where you are using that object? Are we using the object in middleware or controller? You are creating object in controller.
Controller.
So that means you are injecting that object in the controller level and you are going to use it. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I say when you are injecting an object in the controller level as a constructor parameter, it is called a dependency injection or not?
Yes.
I am depending on an object which are created in the middleware.
Injected.
I am, simple logic, listen carefully. I am depending on an object which is created in the middleware, will be accessed in the controller level of a constructor for the controller. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
So that is called dependency injection. So do you all understand what is IoC and dependency injection?
Yep.
Everybody, do you all
Yes.
understand what is IoC and what is dependency injection? The
Yes.
main concept today is my main agenda of this class, today's class, is IoC and dependency injection. If you are clear with this, 80% of your core development is easy. 80% of your code development simply calling a methods and data types. Clear?
Clear.
So do you all understand what is IoC and what is dependency injection? Before I am
Yes.
hitting the controller, I'm creating object for the service. See,
We are creating the object for the
before,
service.
yes,
Narendra, we are creating the object for each individual service, right?
yes, that's
Then
what I'm saying, services.
middleware page, that program.cs page, this is where we are creating the middleware. It will grow. The page will be confusing, right? So many dependent IOCs we are creating.
That is where we are going for a microservice.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
That is where you are going for a microservice.
Okay. I was
Understand my point?
Because you have created only one service, you have created the IOC, the dependency injection, everything. There are so many services, means it will be this program.cs page will be grow anyway, right? So that is the nice. Sorry.
See, agenda of going with APIs and calling as an independent services, you should not have 2 or more controllers in a class. At the same time, you are not having a 2 or more services in a class. Or if you have services, there is another way to handle that. I will teach you in the when we are using in mediator pattern in API level. Okay, don't worry about it. I will try to reduce everything.
What is the
Okay.
service descriptor class, sir? What is this?
Come again?
Service
Mediator
descriptor. That is a what about that class?
See, service descriptor is a class which will try to create object for the iBrand service which you created. Now you see, can you read the statement? What it is explaining?
Initialize a new instance of service descriptor with the specified implementation type.
Okay.
What is your implementation type?
Brand service.
Brand service. What is your service type? iBrand.
iBrand, correct.
How long that object going to be hold? That is called service lifetime. Do I need to hold for the entire session? Do I need to hold for a particular session? Do I need to hold for a entire project at any point of time? That is called service lifetime. That one I will teach you tomorrow because we are running out of time. Okay, don't worry about it. So first you understand what is the IoC and what is the dependency injection. You understand, right? Everybody clear?
Yes.
Pallavi, Prasanna Kumar Oram, Prem Kumar,
Yes.
Sachin, Swapnil,
Yes, sir.
Bora Bhargav, Akhil.
Sir.
Now, if you go and try to have here, I will prove you a few things. I'll put a breakpoint here. Listen carefully. This is most important. At runtime level, how things will happen. Now you see in the builder, Control Alt Q, quick watch, dot services, enter. How many count are there? How many you have a count? How many objects currently the builder?
126.
126. The moment when I execute, okay, now you see how many will be there.
One 27.
How many having?
127.
127. Now, if you scroll down, you see the object which you created will be available. Are you able to see this?
Yes.
Transient.
Catalog
Are you able to see this? Transient catalog dot service contract dot iBrand service. Now, can I extend this? If you look into that, it is trying to create an object for the brand service. Say yes or no? Everyone. Guys, please say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, so this is how builder will automatically create object, and then that object I'm trying to inject. When you continue, you see in the constructor, you are creating a brand service object. Yes or no?
Yes.
And that brand.
Hello, sir. Your voice is not audible. Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Sir, audible, sir.
Yes.
I think I don't know why it
Now
is
audible.
struck. Okay, thank you. So you all understand, right? What is builder.service, new descriptor, brand type, and everything. So this is how you have to implement a projects. Now everything will be taken care of. That's all. Remaining and all will be easy work to do. Now go and click it. A simple execution will happen.
Narendra, you reached repository section also, right?
No, I never implemented repository. Repository day before yesterday. Day after tomorrow we will implement. Tomorrow we are going to talk about different types of service lifetime. I'll go step by step. Okay.
Okay. One small thing is now it becomes slowly complex, right?
It is
We need
not a
to
complex. See, the point here is it is very easy. Only thing is the understanding is more important. Once you understand, try to implement on your own. Definitely you can crack it. It's all about practice, Akhil. You guys are know all the concepts.
Okay.
See, simply I'll tell you. You know how to create object. Am I right?
Yes.
You know how to pass data from one layer to another layer. You know, right? Say so.
Yes, Narendra.
And you also know how to hold the data in a particular class library project, access this data in another class library project. You know, right?
By giving this reference to this one.
That's it.
Yeah.
Here also we are doing the same thing. Only thing is in .NET, every time you create object where you are not creating object at the middleware level. Am I right?
Here we are creating the object at least only once.
Yes. Whereas in our three-tier architecture, like
Regularly
DAL
we are creating.
layer, every time you have to create object, every time you have to do everything. Am I right?
Yeah, every page, every C# page you are creating, not globally you are creating. Here we are creating globally, but globally only once only one time we are creating. After that we are injecting that one
Okay.
wherever it is required.
This is the right option or that is the right option?
Yeah, no, this is the right option, but yeah, so many things. I'll go. I'll ask. I'll watch this video once again. The injection and DI you implemented it, right? The object creation where it is allocating memories, how it is that I service only, how it is active for that particular object itself. Those things I'll ask the clarification next class.
I don't understand. Can you repeat? See, the point is very simple. I am using in program.cs file. You are saying this is my. If you look into the service, if you look into the service descriptor, it is first asking a service type and then implementation class. What is your service type? Is it your interface or not?
Yes.
And your implementation type is the class which are trying to implement based on the interface. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
And then how long this particular object is going to be hold is called a service lifetime. Right?
Okay.
If there is a
So
multiple, if there is a
listen,
multiple,
wait.
okay.
Swapnil, let me finish this. Once you create this object will be holded in builder.service collection. Clear my point?
Yeah.
Akhil.
Yes.
And then whenever you require an object with the help of dependency injection, this builder.service will give that object to the brand controller. Who is holding the object of brand service? Builder.service, right? Service collection.
Okay.
See, builder.service is a collection. iService collection. This iService collection will holding your brand service object. Am I right?
Yes. Because we have added here.
Because we are added in this iService collection. Now,
Yeah.
whenever you are injecting that object, this object will come from where? Under the builder object as a service collection. Am I right?
Yes.
Because builder.service holding 100 and how much it is? 156 or 57?
26. 156.
156.
26.
All the 100,
26.
26. All the 126 are available there. Whenever you require a particular object, you are going to inject here. That's it. Got the point?
Yeah.
Understand my point?
Yes,
Now,
Narendra.
at the time of creating the object, what is the lifetime you are going to have that object? Do I need every request I'm going to maintain that, or a particular session I'm going to maintain that, or throughout all the session I'm going to maintain the object will be decided by service lifetime. That's it. Clear?
Okay.
Now, Sachin, please go ahead your question. Sachin?
Me?
Yeah, please go ahead your question. Sachin,
Yes, I think.
you are asking something.
So
No,
I
I'm
have,
no, I'm
I have
not.
asked.
Swapnila, yeah, please go ahead, Swapnil.
So there is a iBrand services, brand services. We have created the object. So like that, there is a iProduct services once again come. Then the code will be go long and long.
That's what Akhil told. I said, see, we are not going to use 20 or 30 service classes, hardly 4 or 5 classes.
Okay.
Code is not long. How many number of objects you are holding in the builder is matter. Okay?
Okay.
Understand my point? Or what we can do is, we create another class file, a static class file. We can move this builder service into that, and we can call that class file also. I will show that in when we're doing an web APIs, microservices.
Okay.
Okay, let me show that. Probably this will help you. I don't want you to.
I think you already showed it once in one of the projects. You already showed.
Yes. Let me show that.
So one question here. I know this is the base. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
See, whatever the question you guys are making is valid. For that, I will show you how we can handle that kind of situation. Now, you go here in the solution. Kavita, in the application, you see there is a dependency.cs.
Yes.
Yeah.
In the dependency.cs file, you see there is a public static iService collection, register request handler, and I get a iService class.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
And then what I'm doing, service.add mediator, I'm reading all the register services from the assembly, assembly.get assembly, get executing assembly. What will happen? This assembly will collect all the classes, give it to this register assembly. This register assembly will try to create object, add it in the mediator. See how many classes I have here. I have these many handlers. Okay, do I have creating object for all the handlers here?
No. Currently we
With a
need
single line of code, I'm trying to create all the object of these handlers. Make sense?
Yes.
Make sense or not?
Yes.
So this is how we are going to create object in the service layers. Okay, I will explain. When I'm developing, you will understand very clearly.
Okay.
But you understand, right?
Yes.
How I am creating object for all the other classes. How many classes I have in this handler? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 classes. Am I creating objects for all the 9 classes in this dependency?
No.
Am I creating all the 9 classes in the dependency?
Yes.
No. I'm creating only one class,
One
one line of code, which will collect all the classes based on the get executing assembly. What is assembly? Assembly
Collection of
containing n number of classes which
classes.
you are creating. Am I right?
Yeah.
You understand or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is itself. And you will have one more question. How do I need to call this register request handler in my builder method, sir? Simply go to solution in your API, go to your program.cs file. You see builder.service.request register handler. You got it or not?
Yes. Understood.
This method will try to create object for all the handler and holding in the builder.service method. Is it correct?
Yes.
So this is how you have to implement all your projects. You can have 100 classes as a service. In a single line of code, I can able to create 100 objects at a single point of time. Clear my point? Everybody clear with my point?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is how you have to implement your steps. Make sense?
Yes.
Everybody.
Yes.
Yes.
I think who asked that question, Shubham or Prem? Who asked the question? Sachin, right? Sachin or Swapnil? Swapnil, you understand, right?
Yes, yes, understood.
You got the point or not?
Yeah, yes. I got it.
So don't need to worry about it. Okay. For 2-3 classes, maximum 5 classes, you can create in the builder. If it behind that, you have to go with the mode what I told.
Correct. Understood, sir.
Clear my point?
Yeah.
Anything else? Yeah. Pallavi or Kavita, you have any questions? I think Kavita has some questions. Let me stop the recording. It is going too long.